Factorizing algebraic expressions using dots, difference of two squares. In this video, you are going to learn how to factorize an algebraic expression using dots technique. Let's see an example. 3a squared minus 48b squared. The dots rule is a squared minus b squared equals brackets a plus b brackets a minus b. Sometimes, a perfect square may not be immediately apparent in an expression. However, by factoring the expression, you can often spot the perfect square. Here both 3 and 48 are not perfect squares. Since 3 is a common factor for both 3 and 48, let's take that outside. 3 times 16 equals 48. So, we can write the expression as 3 brackets a squared minus 16b squared. Now, let's take the term a squared minus 16b squared and apply the dots rule by following the two steps. Find the square root of each terms. Open two empty brackets. Add the terms in the first brackets, and subtract the terms in the second brackets. Square root of a squared is a and square root of 16b squared is 4b. Next, let's write the terms in the brackets as per step 2. It will be brackets a plus 4b brackets a minus 4b. Now, when you add the common factor of 3 to this expression, you will get 3 brackets a plus 4b brackets a minus 4b. When you factorize 3a squared minus 48b squared, you will get 3 brackets a plus 4b brackets a minus 4b.